Back-end affiliate marketing.
Within affiliate marketing, everyone involved in the program will benefit. Each time the affiliate refers a visitor to the website of the merchant, he will earn income. On the other end, the merchant will produce sales without spending a lot of money for advertising and promotion. With the goal being to earn more income, both the affiliate and the merchant should be considering the practice of back-end selling in their business. Back selling is a great and well-known support for affiliate marketing, as it can greatly augment the income that is produced from affiliate marketing. Back-end selling is the selling that's conducted after the inital sale. When a visitor becomes a paying customer for a product, another product can then be advertised and sold to the exact same customer, with the second product being called the back-end product. Now, the customer will already be acquainted with the merchant or affiliate, meaning that is already a level of trust between them. Therefore, selling the back-end product may actually be easier than the initial sale. For many years, back-end selling has helped boost sales for both online businesses and land-bound companies. If the customer is happy with the initial product that was purchased, he'll logically assume that the online company is offering quality products and will come back again. The normal technique with back-end selling is to make the customer aware of other products, as these products can cater to other needs that the customer may have. When the customer becomes aware of the second or back-end products, he will look into it and may make a purchase. The technique of back-end selling has been both known and proven to be very powerful in augmenting the income of many companies. Therefore, back-end selling has made hundreds of online companies flourish and expand. If you use it correctly, it can work very well with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing will attract many new customers and lead to the initial sale, while back-end selling will build loyalty among the buyers. To put it in other terms, back-end selling is a major ingredient in creating a winning formula in affiliate marketing. Each and every affiliate should look into the financial promise of back-end selling when it's coupled with affiliate marketing. The two of these can make the affiliate earn an amazing amount of income.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.